my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I thought it was time for a fun monthly recap. It's always nice when I get to do these videos because you get to see what we've just released, and if you've missed something, then you can go back and get it ASAP. My absolute positively favorite one was the Gnome Fold It with extras. Now when I say extras, I mean lots of extras, because for example, we have the cute little heart, the cute little present, there was a pumpkin, lots of different options. Oh, here's our cute little gnome with the mushroom folded as well. So cute and so fun. Now moving on, my next favorite, absolute positively favorite, was the scalloped rectangle slimline. I know, isn't it awesome? Now it came with lots of fun stuff. For example, it came with this gorgeous layering die that has the fun eyelet look. You could add the circles or you didn't have to. It also came with the word blessings, and it even came with a layering die that does the blue. So see the blue, not with the rectangles, that was a separate die, but that was also released this month. But you can do the scallop this way or with the eyelets. Lots and lots of options with that die. Now this die is really fun because it also included the 3 different rectangles. So we're calling that the collage slimline because 2 of them are the same size and this one's a lot larger. So you could just mix and match what you put in there. Also released this month was this fun background triangle die, which is really fun because it fits on an A2 size card, and it also gave you these dies to make these triangles, and you could add the stitch lines if you wanted. We also released the smile inspirational words that I originally took on HSN. So here it is now, it's on our website, and you can see it comes with a whole bunch of different words. Here's a sample. So it came with smile, laugh, believe, love, pray, lots, dream, inspire, joy. Oh, lots and lots of fun ones. Here's another fun die that we did just recently. That is the lattice die on the background there. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that one. Now we all know it's time for a new year, so let's get ready, right? We don't want to have 2020 anymore. Now we're going to do 2021. We just released this gorgeous Happy New Year die because we are going to celebrate. It's a new year. All of us are, right? Also, we released this month is a envelope for your A2 size cards. Now you can do gorgeous envelopes if you want to, and because we have that envelope liner die, you can also die cut your own envelope liners. Our club set this month was the Windows to Stamp. Look how adorable that is. Now it comes different ways. We have the curtains are separate. It comes with the cute little kitty cat, and it's so much fun. Club members, you already have that one. Here's another example of that window card. So fun. And look at this one. You can even do that so it has acetate and they can see the inside. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Here's another one of that collage die. 1, 2, 3. These are the same size, then the square in the middle. I love it. Oh, here's a fun one. This was a gift for you gift card holder. Look at that. It says for you right there. You can open it up and you can have a gift card inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's another sample of that one. It also came with these fun flowers, which are really fun too. So there's the fun flowers for you. Open it up, more flowers, and there's my gift card in there with a little message. Now, last but not least is this fun die here. This is the die that I didn't think I was gonna like, and by the time I saw all my fun samples from my design team, I decided I was absolutely positively in love with it. Now look at that. It's just this background die right here, but it's just about this size, and my design team did a lot of different things with it. Here they added it just in the corners. Gorgeous. Here they added it to make their own background paper, and here it is in the same color to make it monotone, to make it look like it's embossed. Isn't that fantastic? Absolutely. Oh, look at this. I didn't even open this one. Surprise, look at this. Ready? This is also our gift card holder that's gonna come soon that we did originally sell on HSN, but look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness gracious. I absolutely love that. I'm so glad I thought to open that one. So pretty. I love it. Okay, club members, of course you got the discounts on all of these awesome products. If you miss one, don't worry. They're all on our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not in the club, you have to join, because for only $11.95 a month, you get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month, And most importantly, you get 15% off everything I showed you and more. That means our die cut machines, that means our supplies, our adhesives, everything on our website. So make sure you go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.